Unexpectedly, my husband is home today. There's no power at his restaurant, but he's wearing his most favorite shirt. And it says, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says, Mr. Owl, how many licks does it take? That's all I wanted to say. I'm doing a tag. I'm not showing myself, but I wanted to show my husband's shirt. Someone tagged me and wanted to see what I had in my refrigerator, but I'm going to start by showing what's on my refrigerator. My refrigerator is a mess. Calendar. My son and his alphabet. And bread, glorious bread. Now Carmine has just got some juice boxes out in my fridge for today. I have steaks that I'm going to be making. I have some, hold on. I have some Capri Suns. What would a fridge be without at least one bottle of wine? Which one is this one? This is my peach porter, my favorite. Orange juice, milk, sodas, diet sodas, and a sandwich that my husband made for me that I didn't get a chance to eat yet. It's called my, what is this? Pizza steak. It's like pizza with steak on it. It's my favorite. It's got sauce. It's delicious. Back there I got some French onion soup that I homemade myself. It's my specialty. Everybody in my house loves my French onion soup. This is garbage. Let's see. Meat. So I'm about to make some sandwiches for my kids. Butter. More juice. Back there's my aloe vera gel. Back there, aloe vera gel from the stuff that I make. Onions. Garlic. More onions. More. Oh my gosh. My fridge is a wreck, you guys. Butter. There's nothing like real butter. Some Parmesan cheese. Lemon, of course, for shrimp scampi's. Italian dressing. For marinade. Sorry. Dijon. Frenchy mustard, which I hardly ever use. And whenever my son visits, my oldest son, he always has the ranch, but I think I need to throw this. I'll do this. Alright. And my son loves this because, let's see. Oh, I need new batteries. Oh no, there it goes. Got to turn on. He loves it. Oh, we got all the alphabets on before. Freezer is a wreck, as usual. Loads and loads of ice packs because my husband is always getting injured. French bed pizzas. I like when I have frozen pizza in the freezer. Fish sticks for when I have to put something together quick for the kids. My cheeses that I'm not going to be using immediately. Some pot pies. Chicken. Pork chops. More chicken. Salmon. Oops. Sorry. Some chicken fries from this junk that my kids don't even eat. I don't even eat this. I'll throw that out. Some breadsticks and bruschetta. Can't see it though. And of course some ground beef because I'm going to make some hamburgers this weekend when we grill. And french fries. Here, french fries. And a Hot Pocket that my son will probably eat tomorrow for lunch. And that's what's in my fridge, you guys. I'm not showing myself today because I look a hot mess. But I will be looking better next time. At least you guys saw my husband's shirt. It's my favorite shirt too. Alright guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed that. I know it's a wreck. I'm sorry. See you guys later. Bye.